Okay, sometimes you might have a problem with your suction cup not sticking or the plunger wanting to come out. So I pulled this one out and you see how dirty it is and it's super dry. Like the ring right there, look at it, very dirty. So first thing you want to do is clean all that off. You get soapy water, a little bit of Windex. See that? Clean it up pretty good. You don't want to use any harsh chemicals on it because you don't want to break down the rubber on the seal there. Okay, once you've cleaned it, okay, and that's all clean, you're going to take, you can buy this in the plumbing section, it's silicone grease. You're going to take that, just put a little bit on there to re-lubricate it. And you should do this every few months. It'll help your suction cup last longer in the pump. Just a little bit of that. And now works like new.